Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be showing you how to resize images perfectly for social media using IMG cuts. So we are using the alternative for that. We're gonna use Canva. You can head over to the browser, and whether it's for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, this method will ensure that your images look sharp and professional. So let's just dive right in. Head over to canva.com for that and open it up on your screen and log in into your account if you're not logged in. After that, you can go ahead and create a design with custom dimensions. For that, look out for this option called create and click on it. And once you click on it, you can select the option for custom size. And there you can just go over and enter the exact width and height that you want for your social media post. So if it is for Instagram, you can type in 1080 width and height also 1080. So you can just go over and type in this one right here. So let's say this is the one that I would like to do. You can look out for Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, and Twitter post as well, and create up a custom dimension for yourself. Once you do so, you can just go over and upload your image. Look out for this upload option and click on it. And you can upload up your image here. So here, click on this option called upload files. And once you select it up, you can upload the image that you would like to remove the background for. So let's say this is the image, and you can click on open. And once you upload it here, you can just go ahead and drag the image onto your canvas. Or you can click on the image so that it will be uploaded on your canvas. So you can just go ahead and fit the canvas with your ratio of your picture like this. And there we go. Now, Canva automatically keeps the aspect ratio so your image does not get stretched sometimes. So if you want to resize it, you can add text overlays, apply filters or effects, or change background colors. So you can look out for this option called crop if you want to go ahead and resize it. If you want to go over and select up the ratio, you can select the ratio and everything and keep the ratio and click on done, and when you do, the image will be uploaded on that certain ratio. After that, you can edit out by adding up text, applying filters or effects. So you can select this option for applying color and adding out text, etc., animate. So if you want to add text, you can select this option for text and add up a text box. So you can just go over and add it up. So I'm just gonna make it add up a text, and you can resize it. So here we go, and you can resize it according to your choice and place it here into your picture like this. After you do so, you can just go over and edit out the picture. You can change your background colors as well. You can choose your canvas, select the option for background color. I'm just gonna choose blue, or let's say I'm gonna keep it black. Gray it is, and that'd be cool. You can just go ahead and add different things that you prefer, even use tools in order to design it. And when your image looks perfect, you can click on this share option right here. And from there, go over and select the option for download right here. And you can choose the format if you want a PNG, JPEG, anything. And you can click for this download option right here and confirm it up, and that's it. So that is how you resize your images for any social media platforms using Canva, the best alternative for IMG cut. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which social media resize tutorial you want next, and thank you for watching this video.